China's intention to genocide today stems from the colonialism. It's not just something incidental. It comes from colonial efforts in East Turkestan. These colonial efforts actually adopted from many legalist concepts of punishment that first emerged in ancient Qing dynasty. I'm talking about 1,000 years ago, that Qing, not the Qin. So the ancient Qing dynasty, they implemented legalism to control the population in the state at that time. They were thinking the people has to be punished before they do any crime, even they were innocent. So they have to be very scared, and so they're not going to do any crime. So that kind of concept was adopted right now in East Turkestan. That's very different than Western legal concept, legacy of that innocent proven guilty. They say even you don't have any crime, even you don't do anything, you have to get punishment first. This is what they're doing in East Turkestan right now. For example, they're doing lianzol system. Every village, every town, and every cities, they group with 5-10 Uyghur families together. And in this group, each person has to report each other to the police. If they don't report each other, and this individual considered by the police that not trustworthy, so he has a problem, so they will going to arrest this person. So sometimes people cannot find a story to report other person, they create a story, and then the people going to be arrested because of that. When I interviewed camp survivors, they told me that Chinese guards or police at detention center show them the list of crimes and force them to choose one or two or several of them. Among these lists, even they didn't do anything, they choose one and they're gonna punish because of that. People are innocent, still they get punishment in East Turkestan. That's how they applying legalism in East Turkestan right now.
Yeah, I've experienced that firsthand there as well.